Hello, welcome to My Life is Mathlan channel. Today we will discuss about JEE 2026 April 4th Shift 2 paper. The topics are vectors and functions. Let's enter into the problems.
There are two unit vectors u and v, and inclined equity angle is u cross v is equal to root 3 by 2. So a is equal to lambda u plus v or plus u cross v. Now we will do the one thing. So I will take the relation u cap cross v cap is equal to root 3 by 2. So u cap modulus of u cap modulus of v cap sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2. It is 1 because both are unit vectors. So sin theta is equal to root 3 by 2, theta is equal to pi by 3. Theta is equal to pi by 3. Now in the same way, u dot v is equal to uv psi cos theta. Theta means pi by 3. There is equal to modulus of u is 1, this is 1. So cos pi by 3 means 1 by 2. So u dot v is a 1 by 2. Now we need the value. I will take the a bar is equal to lambda u cap plus v cap plus u cap cross v cap. I will do the dot product to the a bar dot u cap is equal to lambda u cap dot u cap plus v cap dot u cap plus u cap dot v cap dot cross dot u cap. It is a triple product of same vectors. This value is 0. So there is equal to u dot u. It is a unit vector. So there is value is 1. Lambda plus v dot u. V dot u it is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 is equal to a bar dot u cap is equal to lambda plus 1 by 2. There is equal to a bar dot u cap minus lambda whole into 2 is equal to 1. Next to a bar dot v cap is equal to lambda into u cap dot v cap plus v cap dot v cap plus u cross v dot v cap. So in the same way this is 0. So it is 1. It is 1 by 2 u dot v. It is the 1 unit vector dot product. So a bar dot v cap is equal to lambda by 2 plus 1. So a bar dot v cap minus lambda by 2 is equal to 1. So this value is 1, this value is 1. Both equate them. A bar dot v cap minus lambda by 2 is equal to 2 into a bar dot u cap minus 2 lambda. So minus lambda by 2 center side, or otherwise take LCM first. 2a bar dot v cap minus lambda whole by 2 is equal to 2a bar dot u cap minus 2 lambda. So 2 center side, 2a bar dot v cap minus lambda is equal to 4a bar dot u cap minus 4 lambda. Now this one send this side, 4 lambda minus 3 minus lambda is equal to 4a bar dot u cap minus 2a bar dot v cap. So this value is 3 lambda. 3 lambda is equal to 4a bar dot u cap minus 2a bar dot v cap. So lambda is equal to 4 by 3 a bar dot u cap minus 2 by 3 a bar dot v cap. So lambda value 4 by 3 a bar dot u cap minus 2 by 3. Option 1 is the right answer. Given that here it is a f of x plus y is a function. is equal to f of x plus 2y square plus y plus axy. It is a function for all x comma y are belongs to real numbers. So f of 0 is equal to minus 1, f of 1 is equal to 2, then the value of alpha plus f of n. So I will write the given function f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus 2y square plus y plus alpha xy. It is given function. Now x is equal to 0. So x is equal to 0 plus y. F of y is equal to f of 0 means minus 1 plus 2y square plus y alpha xy. X is 0 into anything 0, so it whole expression is 0. Now we need the f of 2 value. F of 2 is equal to f of 1 is 2, so f of 2 is equal to minus 1 2 into 2 square 4 plus 2, there is equal to, it is 9. Now put x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1 in the function. So f of 1 plus 1, f of 2, f of x is equal to f of 1 plus y is equal to 1, 2, it is 2 plus 1 alpha xy plus alpha. So f of 2 is 9, f of 1 is 2 plus 1 3 plus alpha. So alpha is equal to 4. So we need to find the value sigma of n is equal to 1 to 5 alpha plus f of n. We need to find this value. So for finding I need f of n value. So f of n is equal to 2n square plus n minus 1. So alpha value 4. Submit the equation. Sigma n is equal to 1 to 5 alpha value 4 f of n value 2n square plus n minus 1. So sigma n is equal to 1 5 2n square plus n plus 3, 4 minus 1 3. Now apply the sigma where n is 5. So 2 into sum of square of a numbers 1 to 5 numbers. It is the value. The formula is n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 6. So I will use the formula n means 5 into n plus 1 means 5 plus 1 6 and 2n plus 1 2 into 5 plus 1 11 by 6 cancel here plus sum of the first 5 numbers. So n into n plus 1 by 2. N means 5 into 6 by 2 plus 3 into sum of 5 times of 1. 3 into 5, this is, there is equal to, so there is equal to, it is 55 into 110. 2 ones are through 3s are plus 15 is equal to 140. The answer is 140.